If your kids' room resembles a scene out of a disaster movie, it's time to invest in these organizers and furniture that will keep the room clean and organized. Get these wooden shelves to your kids' room. Your kids' toys will find a permanent home in these shelves, and you can rearrange them however you want to display them without looking too crammed. Another organizer you can keep in your kids' room are these storage wheels with plastic trays. You won't only have a place for your kids' toys. You can also put away their picture books, diapers, and other stuff your kid needs in these organizers. See how easy that is? You can keep your kids' room clutter-free and organized with just a few shelves and organizers. It's one less thing to think about running a household with an easy-to-organize kids' room. Shop now for all kinds of storage organizers and kids furniture at any AllHome branch or online via allhome.com.ph. Keep in touch with us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video.